क्या जनता एक्सपेक्ट करेगी कि इस मैनिफेस्टो के जरिए सोनार बांग्ला का सपना पूरा होगा?
पूरा होगा। सब लोग वेट कर रहा है। कुछ दिन बाद सेकंड में सोनार बांग्ला का घोषणा भी होगा, बीजेपी का सरकार भी आएंगे और हम लोग सब लोग सुरक्षित रहेंगे।
क्या जनता एक्सपेक्ट करेगी कि इस मैनिफेस्टो के जरिए सोनार बांग्ला का सपना पूरा होगा?
पूरा होगा। सब लोग वेट कर रहा है। कुछ दिन बाद सेकंड में सोनार बांग्ला का घोषणा भी होगा, बीजेपी का सरकार भी आएंगे और हम लोग सब लोग।
Well, let me also bring in my colleague Sucharita, who's been tracking this very closely. Sucharita, break it down for our viewers. What would you really expect as far as the manifesto of BJP is concerned? A lot of talks about the promises perhaps that is going to be made to the Matuas, and also the fact that as far as Sonar Bangla, the dream that the BJP is basically trying to sell to the people of Bengal.
Absolutely, absolutely, and I'm right here at the cultural center where the Home Minister Amit Shah is going to be here very shortly, and he's going to be releasing BJP's manifesto for West Bengal, and it's very clear from the tone that the Prime Minister has set in today at the rally. He very clearly said that TMC is about scams and BJP is about schemes. So we are clearly expecting a manifesto that talks about Sonar Bangla, that talks about schemes which are going to be tackling the toll bazi that Prime Minister has been speaking about, the chit fund scams that the Prime Minister has clearly targeted TMC on, and also a kind of a compensation scheme for all those workers who've faced violence at the hands of TMC workers. So right here at the cultural center, the Home Minister Amit Shah is going to be here very shortly, and he's going to be giving in a manifesto to West Bengal that will speak, that will counter the claims that are being made by Mamata Banerjee. And after the TMC's manifesto that was out, it was very clear that BJP will try very clearly to be matching everything that is being said by Mamata Banerjee. Let me just Rajiv ji, एक मिनट, मुझे बस ये बताइए that the manifesto is going to be released. What are you expecting? Major expectations from that.
One second, I'll ask a concerned person to speak.
सप्तऋषि जी, आप बताइए।
नहीं दादा है ना,
आप कैमरे पर हैं आप।
क्या बोलिए?
Major expectations from the manifesto आज।
वो तो और कुछ टाइम लगेगा, उसके बाद ही पूरा निकल जाएगा। बस वो वेट करना है और 10-15 मिनट।
10-15 मिनट वेट करना है, ठीक है। I think the leaders are wanting to leave it to the Home Minister Amit Shah, who's going to be here very soon, and they don't want to be speculating on it. But I know it's very clear that when the Home Minister Amit Shah is going to be here, it's going to be a counter claim for whatever the TMC has said, and it is also going to be a manifesto that very clearly targets the scams, and also the cut money issue, which the Prime Minister has very categorically taken up in his rallies. Like today in his rally, the Prime Minister spoke about talking about schemes. He's very clearly said that TMC stands for all the violence in the state. And yes.
Sucharita, sorry to interrupt you, but I just want to get a sense of what you're picking up from speaking to various BJP workers. You know, here the talk is about the SOPs that perhaps would be given to the scheduled caste, the scheduled tribes and the OBCs. A lot of talk that is actually happening there also to the Matuas. So are you picking up anything with regards to perhaps more of poll SOPs expected in this manifesto?
Yes, as you're saying, Shavan, it's right after the claim and the declaration that was made by the BJP President JP Nadda of including categories in the OBC, it is very clear that BJP is targeting those subsets in the state, and it has been very clear from the kind of claims that came from TMC and BJP both about putting certain categories into the OBC reservation. Now, very clearly, JP Nadda had said that there hasn't been any kind of work done for these categories in the state, and the counter claim that came from TMC was that the BJP does not really know about the castes in the state. So they really are outsiders. जो बाहरी उन्हें बोलते आए हैं, the claim of Bahari, they're outsiders, and that is what has been repeated by Mamata Banerjee in all her rallies. And it's very clear that when Amit Shah is going to be here and he's going to be putting out the manifesto for the BJP, it will have very clear outline for the backward classes to be put into the OBC, and that is going to be a claim that has been already made by the BJP President JP Nadda.